How to fix this vMix error. All right, so each time you try to open your vMix, you keep getting this error saying unhandled exception has occurred, blah blah blah, could not load library. All right, vMix codec library. All right, so I'm going to show you how to fix the unhandled exception error in vMix. All right, so stay with me and let's dive straight into the tutorial. If this is your first time on my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share this video, and if you're a returning subscriber, kindly like and share this video as well. If you have any question, drop it at the comment section. All right, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the tutorial. Don't forget, my name is Victor Eje. This is Gen2 Media. All right, so all you need to do is just to click the link in the description of this video and you will download this missing file, vMix codec library. You can see it right here. This is the file that is missing. All right, so you are going to download it, copy this file, go to your window, your file explorer, come to this PC, local disk C, you will open program data. If you can't find program data right here, just press your window key and type folder option, okay? Type folder option and then you open it. All right, so once you open it, go to view, click on view. All right, and then you will see show hidden files right here. Just select show hidden files, tick this, untick don't show hidden files. All right, so you are going to tick show hidden file. So once you are through, click apply and hit OK. All right, so once you've done that, you see your program data right here. Right, so open your program data, open vMix folder, you will see VC, open X64, and the file you just downloaded, the file you just copied, you are going to paste it here. All right, so you are going to paste it. I already have it here, so you just paste it here. They ask you to replace, just replace it. All right, so once you paste it here, try to open your vMix and you see that your problem is now solved. All right, so if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and share. All right, share with your friends and loved ones, and don't forget to drop your comments if you have any question. Okay, if you want to join my WhatsApp group, the link is in the description. Click that link, I can join my WhatsApp group. All right, so don't forget, my name is Victor Eje. This is Gen2 Media.